Hey guys, Richard here. So I wasn't planning on making a video, but yeah, so today, Amanda's not here today, and it was going to be one of my days to just do some errands and take care of other things, and you know, that's kind of how the day has gone so far. But then I remembered that, you know, I kind of need to do something with this bike over here. I need to get the mirrors on it because even though I haven't done the full review yet on the Moon Cool, I've tried that video so many times. If you guys knew how many times I had intended on going out and doing this review video, and one thing after another, between audio problems and video problems. I recorded it once and there was problems with the video files, and so I needed to go out and do it again, and it just one of those things where it seems like every time I attempt it, something just goes completely awry. I don't know. You know how it goes sometimes. Just one of those things. But now I'm doing a group ride tomorrow with some folks, and some of it's going to be street riding, and I definitely want to have mirrors on this thing, so I'm going to go ahead and put mirrors on it, even though I wasn't been kind of riding around without mirrors just because I was waiting to do this stupid review, you know. How it goes sometimes. Yeah, it's alright. Anyway, excuse me. Yep, that feels like it's just, where's my, I got a new razor blade. Make things a little easier for me. Of course, I may not be able to find it in this pile of mess here. I need to sort through this top drawer here. Get rid of some stuff. Yeah, I got a marker in here. It doesn't need to be in here. Yeah, so anyway, I've got I purchased an X-Acto knife. There it is. Purchased that a couple of, I don't know, about a month ago now, with the intent of using this, making it easier to cut these little holes out right here at the end of the handlebar when it's rubber like this. Instead of trying to use that big old box cutter, huge blade, I was going to use something like this. Make it just a little bit easier. You can control your cuts a little bit better. And with that big old box cutter, it was sometimes I'd end up slipping and I'd end up cutting a whole lot more than what I intended, but yeah, that'll make it easier. Now typically, because this thing right here is kind of, it's a little dim over here in this corner, isn't it? Because this little end right here is pretty thick, I usually can't push it through. Yeah, it's just still too tight. So what I've been doing for a lot of these guys is cutting away some of this rubber here. That's where the X-Acto knife comes into play, because it makes it a lot easier. Yeah. There we go, something like that. Oh my goodness, I need light over here in this corner. Come on. That should work. We will see. Yeah, can I get it in there? Oh no. Almost. Not quite. I'll have to cut some more of that. Anyway, what else is going on here? I was supposed to have the electric X-Peak was supposed to be delivered today. Yeah, I got a notification yesterday saying, hey, your delivery is going to be tomorrow between 10 and 2, and it's like, all right, you know, been looking forward to this. So I've been waiting. Went out this morning, ran some errands. Usually the day of, you get another notification saying, hey, your delivery's out, or your package is out for delivery, and it'll be there soon, or you'll be there, whatever. And I didn't get that text. So I finally went and checked the status of it, and it's still sitting 100 miles away. Yeah, it hasn't moved. What did I do with my little Allen wrench? Oh, I laid it down over here. Yeah, it's still sitting 100 miles away, so apparently something happened. So I don't have any, I'm not holding my breath that it's going to show up. I mean, it might show up real late or something, but they may still get it here into town and then turn around and try to deliver it right away, but I'm not expecting it. That's a bummer, because I won't be here tomorrow. So tomorrow, we're going to be up in the, let's see, I might post this video tonight, so I won't tell you where I'm going to be. Sorry guys, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going to be. It's going to be a nice ride though. Yeah, it's going to be a real nice ride. Got a group of folks going. It's only going to be about 12 or 15, but it's going to be cold. It's going to be around the high 50s or so. So a little cold for us here in Florida. Not for a lot of you folks. We've had that conversation many times, but for us here in Florida, it's pretty chilly. But it'll be fine. Amanda, she's a really thin girl. She does get cold easily. She was planning on going, but I think she's kind of decided now not to go, because she's just, yeah, she just doesn't want to be in the cold for a long period of time like that. So she probably won't be going. My buddy Ron is going, and I believe Joe and Rick are going. I believe Greg is going to make it. Greg lives, from where we're going to be, Greg lives probably 3 hours away from where we're going to be tomorrow. So, and also, a couple other folks that get in there. A couple other folks that he rides with regularly, I believe, are coming up with him, and so that'll be nice to see everyone. Come on, get in there. There it goes. So, yeah, some folks are going to be driving quite the distance to get there. But it's going to be worth it because it's a nice ride. I did it once when we were just kind of scouting it. I'm not leading this one. Someone else is leading it, but it's a nice ride. Going through 4 city parks, really nice big parks, and just beautiful areas, nice scenery. So looking forward to it. Just wish the weather was going to be, a little better. But we'll take what we can get, I guess. All right, so what else do I need to do that bike? I've been charging it, so I know it's charged up now. I've got my mirrors on it finally. Got my saddle already. Still got my bags on there. Got my cell phone holder on there. So I guess I'm ready to go. Put that on there. Nothing else I need to do to it other than do a review video. All right, so that's squared away. Amanda's bike was squared away in case she was going to go, but I don't know that she's going to make it, like I said. So that's good. Still waiting for a part for this guy so we can get that out and introduce you to it. Unfortunately, it did come here with a broken part on it, so we're waiting for that. Still waiting for the baskets, the rear baskets for the Yoda bike over there. They said it was my understanding they'd come in at the end of the month, and it's the end of the month. So I asked them, haven't heard back yet. So yeah, Free Air, of course, is still sitting here. So the plan was Amanda and I were gonna try to do that maybe Thursday or something. So we'll see how that plays out. There's some special stuff going on with this one. So basically, the company wants 1 video instead of the normal 3 that I do. So I think they want, we're going to be doing like an unboxing and then immediately start riding it, talking about it, do the full review, kind of like all in one video. So we still may end up taking 2 days to actually produce the video. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, anyway, I kind of got the itch to go for a ride. So I'm thinking, I think I'm going to take something out. Just go zipping around the neighborhood a little bit. It is pretty cool out there today, but why not? Right? See, I had the King Bull out recently. I took the Yoda bike out yesterday when I was doing my audio test. And did you see that video where I was checking my audio settings and stuff that I had been making? And then as it turned out, something went awry with that the whole video. And it was uploaded in like 480p. Yeah, like really, really low resolution. I'm like, good grief, I can't win. I just cannot win sometimes. I'm not real sure what happened to it. I really don't. Because everything is recorded I only record in 1080p because it still looks good for most folks. I know if you're watching it on a television or something, then maybe the quality isn't the greatest, but for the most part, I'm just recording in 1080p. And I haven't had any issues with it till now, but something went awry, and it was still recorded in 1080p, but by the time the video was done, being edited and processed, for some reason it saved everything as 480p, and I didn't realize that until after I had uploaded and then released the video. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get the 630 up because I'm gonna be doing a full review on this soon, and I want to ride it some more. Keep getting familiar with it. So I think we're gonna see if I can get that out. If I can get it out. Constantly doing the e-bike shuffle here. Yeah, we make it work. It's just not always convenient. Yeah, so there we go. Let's see. I could use at least a beanie hat. Yeah, one of my little beanies in here. I've got gloves. There's one. There we go. Put something over my ears, right? Keep my ear tips from getting too cold when I go out there. All right. I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to end this video here. And, yeah, since I'm just kind of rambling. Anything else I need to talk about, mentioning? No, I don't think so. Yeah, I'm going to end this video here because I'm going to do a separate video when I'm out riding the 630 right there. So that's what we're going to do. So stay tuned.